All the parties are present?
My Lord, today, my Lord, I am praying for some accommodation, my Lord, on behalf of Mr. Paul, my Lord. He has some personal difficulty. My Lord.
Petitioner.
My Lord, I am for the petitioner.
The petitioner is not ready to proceed with the matter. This writ is adjourned for the day.
I love this.
Next.
Item number 2, my Lord, similar prayer for item number 2 and 3 as well, my Lord.
Same order.
I leave this. Item number 4.
Your Lordship, we pray for some time. As the conducting counsel, Miss Vivita Charji, she is in sanction leave
Your father?
for the respondent, sole respondent.
No objection, Your Lordship.
By consent of learned counsel for the parties, this writ is adjourned for the day.
Blight, Your Lordship.
Number 5.
Lordship, in this matter as well, Lordship, learned senior Mr. Paul is leading, Lordship. I am praying if this matter can be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
What is the length of leave of Mr. Paul? When is he coming back?
Lordship, from Monday he will be joining, Lordship.
What is this matter about?
Lordship, it's about animal cruelty, Lordship. Violation of the rules, Lordship.
Public interest litigation.
Writ petition, Lordship.
Let us see.
The petitioner is an NGO here, Lordship, who has filed the instant writ petition, Lordship, because of the ongoing smuggling in the international border of Indo-Bangladesh, Lordship, with regards to the cattle, Lordship. So while, Lordship, doing the seizure of the cattle, Lordship, the rules have not been adhered to, Lordship. Though, Lordship, there have been directions from the Honorable Supreme Court and, Lordship, rules for seizure and disposal of the cattle, Lordship.
Affidavits have been filed.
Lordship, pleadings are complete, Lordship.
We file, Your Lordship. Very well.
Reply you have filed.
Lordship, the matter is ripe for hearing, Lordship.
It's pending from 2019.
Lordship.
Release order 4523. 4523.
Why? Hmm? 24.
Right? We have a copy of the order dated 24th May 23.
24, Lordship.
Refer to in your report.
May 4. Yeah.
আমাদের নাই
Four, 5. Half plate packet. Yeah.
This writ is Dhyan Foundation versus State of Meghalaya and others.
Lordship.
This report relates to Gaugyan Foundation.
Lordship, yes.
That's a similar Lordship, there was a similar PIL file
That has
by
been disposed
that
of,
has
Your
been
Lordship.
disposed, Lordship.
That has been disposed of.
Same.
Lordship, not
Lordship,
similar,
yes.
not similar, Lordship. On the prayers were different, Lordship.
That is why that order is not here, because it
In fact,
pertains to the other matter.
Lordship, yes.
Lordship.
This is Gaugyan Foundation.
Lordship, I have the order with me.
So no order has been passed in this matter up to now.
Not
What happened, Your
What are you asking for?
Lordship, we are asking for adherence of the rules and the directions passed by the Honorable
So
Supreme
we will
Court.
say similar action be taken as taken in the Matter of Gaugan Foundation.
Lordship, yes.
The court has expressed satisfaction.
Lordship.
It's the same thing.
Lordship, in the other PI, Lordship, the subject matter was little different with regards to
What is the
livestock.
little difference?
The difference was, Lordship, that the other PIL was filed for smuggling, Lordship, which was in Khanapara.
For cruelty to animals, display in the shops, and the manner of slaughter, all these things
Lordship.
are all covered. You give me that order.
Lordship, I have the report with me, Your Lordship.
No, 24th May order. So this is a mistake in the report.
Take the blood sports.
No. This report says 4th May. Where is that order? 4th May order.
Lordship, I don't have that order, Lordship. Lordship, that is the report filed in that
In the
PL number
PL,
2 of 21, Your Lordship.
What is the difference?
The difference, Lordship, is that there it was only in respect of, Lordship, carrying, Lordship, the way and the manner in which the cattle were being taken to the livestock market, Lordship. And the market which was situated
the way
in
it
Khanapara was an illegal market,
Slaughtered
Lordship.
and sold.
Subsequently, Lordship, but it was only limited to how the cattle were being transported and the illegal running of the Khanapara cattle market, Lordship. That was the limited subject matter of the
But the
PL.
scope of the order was everything.
Yes.
Here, Lordship, we have challenged two orders, Lordship. If I may take your Lordship to the prayer at page 16, Lordship.
Ah.
If I may, Lordship, in the premises opposite, it is most humbly prayed that your Lordships be pleased to admit this petition call for records, issue rule to the respondent as to why a writ in the nature of mandamus not issued directing the state respondents to withdraw, recall, and otherwise forbear from giving effect to the order dated 12/12/2018 and 8/2/2019. Issued by the respondent on 5, and further as to why a writ in the nature of certiorari not issue, passing and setting aside the same, further as to why a writ of mandamus be not issue, commanding the respondents to forthwith implement the standard operating procedure dated 8/3/2017, recommendation of the committee and prevention of cruelty to animals, care and maintenance of property animals rules 2017, and on cause or causes being shown, and after hearing the parties before the pleased to make the rule absolute and or pass further and or other orders as your Lordship may deem fit. So, Lordship, here we have challenged the orders passed by the Superintendent of Police, Lordship.
Show those orders.
Lordship. Lordship, the type copy is at page 86, Lordship. Lordship.
Then the other order,
Lordship is at page 73, Lordship, Annexure 6, sir.
what is wrong with the page 86 order? Where is the second order?
Lordship, at page 73, Lordship.
73.
73, Lordship. Annexure 6.
You are aggrieved by the provision for sale of the cattle.
Lordship.
But does the Supreme Court order says that the cattle are to be sold?
That Lordship.
Hmm? They cannot keep the cattle.
Lordship.
It has to be sold. But then the provisions of the Prevention of Cruelty Animals Act and the rules have to be
Adhered.
complied with even by the purchaser.
Purchaser, Lordship.
And the authorities are to keep vigil on that.
Lordship.
That's all.
That's all, Lordship.
Please take down. This writ petition is pending in this court for about 5 years. Next, although a prayer for adjournment was made by learned counsel for the petitioner on the ground of his senior, we found that the issue was very short and that he was quite competent to go on with the matter. Instead of we, you write this court. Huh? In the circumstances, this court proceeded to hear out the writ petition. Paragraph. The cause of action and reliefs claimed in this writ are substantially similar to those in the public interest litigation bracket PIL number 2/21 Vaughan Foundation versus the Union of India and others. which was disposed of by a division bench of this court by its order dated 26th May 2023. Paragraph. In this order, a reliance was placed to a status report filed by the respondents further to an order dated 4th May 2023. What have I said? Dated 4th May 2023. In the order dated 4th May 2023, the respondents were directed to file a status report. Next line, the court, on going through the status report, expressed complete satisfaction with the steps taken by the respondents under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Give the year, huh? And the rules framed thereunder. With regard inter alia to the transportation and keeping of cattle and other animals, the method of slaughter, dealing with the skin, fur, etc. after its slaughter, exposure of the meat put up for sale in meat shops, and so on. The writ petition was accordingly disposed of on 26th May 2023. Now, exposure and treatment of the meat. Then continuation. This writ has substantially the same cause of action with the only change that it challenges two orders of the respondents dated 21st December 2018 and 8th February 2019. Paragraph. These orders pertain to identification and creation of Gaushalas, Gaushalas, within single apostrophe, for keeping cattle and livestock seized by the authorities in or near the international border on the ground of illegal importation. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by a provision in these orders directing the authorities to obtain an order from the competent court for sale of the seized cattle. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that if the cattle is sold, the authorities would have no control over the buyer as to whether he was complying with the said act and the rules. Paragraph. I feel that such apprehension is unfounded. The authorities may exert the same power under the said act and rules over the buyer as they do in respect of the original owner. Paragraph. In view of the order dated 26 May 2023, disposing of the earlier writ PIL 2 of 2021, no further order needs to be passed in the writ, save and except a direction that the authorities will keep on strictly complying with the order dated 26 May 2023 and also ensure that the buyer of cattle under the aforesaid impugned notifications strictly comply with the said Act and rules and take punitive action against them in case of violation. Paragraph. This writ is accordingly disposed of.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
Number 6.
Find out the list, please. Yes.
My lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, the petitioner here claiming that he wanted to promotion from the date his juniors has been promoted, my lord. He was superseded.
Affidavits are complete.
It's complete, my lord.
But I don't think it can be concluded today.
My lord.
Can it be concluded today? Short matter.
No, my lord. It will take some time.
It will take some time.
Determination is only for today. Because of their lordship's engagement in
My
the
lord.
permanent court to be set up. So today I don't think it can be concluded. If it can be concluded, do it.
No.
Today may not be possible. I have some other day.
By consent of the learned counsel for the parties, this writ is adjourned for the day.
Number 7.
Please, your lordship, in this case, my lord, the police were investigating into the alleged death, which they suspect it to be a foul play, my lord. So we are praying for another 4 weeks' time, my lord, to complete our investigation, my lord. We are in the final stage, my lord. Because we had already filed an affidavit in the writ petition, my lord, but then we were requiring certain mobile to be recorded, obtained from the petitioner's son.
The writ about.
Writ is that the petitioner's son had died amongst some 12 to 13 police officers while undergoing training at the police academy at Ribhoi district, lordship. So, suspecting foul play and non-action of the police, we had filed this writ, apart from some other reliefs against the government of Assam. So, in that view of the matter, lordship, government of Assam has also filed an affidavit, although they are not appearing today, saying that they are processing the matter as far as the release of financial accruals and all are concerned. And as far as the state of Meghalaya, lordship, the direction was passed by the Lawrence single judge to expedite the
You were an Assam official.
No, I was a trainee, lordship.
No, you were
From Assam, yes.
Assam.
Yes. From
Training here.
training here in
Training
Ribhoi.
here.
Yes, lordship.
Criminal case started.
Yes, FIR was lodged.
Yes.
Being aggrieved with the investigation, we filed this writ apart from some other reliefs.
Charge sheet filed.
No, my lord.
Yet. That is what we are waiting.
Investigation is yet to be completed, my lord. So I'm praying if matter can come up after 4 weeks, my lord.
No, when the death took place.
Lordship, the death occurred on 9th of March 2022, 3 years ago.
22.
Then,
FIR was filed on the next day.
what was the cause of the death? Suspected cause?
Allegedly, he drowned, Lordship. Asphyxia. Drowning leading to asphyxia.
Postmortem report says asphyxia, my lord.
Lordship, if Lordships have the order sheet, Lordship may peruse the order of 30
years. He has drowned, then it's an accident. What is the criminal offence?
No, Lordship, what happened, he was undergoing training at the academy in the presence of 13 to 14 police officers and instructors. He allegedly drowned, whereas it is the case of the petitioners in the FIR that it was a case of foul play. And his mobile phone had the incriminating material against the suspected offenders. Now, as regards that, the mobile phone was seized. They were sent for forensic examination. That was recorded in the order passed on 13th September last year. Thereafter, Lordship, in between the matter was slightly delayed because of the death of the original IO, which has been subsequently re-endorsed.
Criminal case has been started.
Yes, my lord.
Now
It's going on.
What is the stage?
for filing of charge sheet, Lord.
So filing of charge sheet and only few witnesses statement under 161 is to be recorded, my lord. So we are praying if the matter comes up after 4 weeks.
No, this court will not interfere with the criminal.
Yes, my lord.
It can just expedite it.
Yes. That was so learned single judge, Honorable Justice, thank you, wanted the charge sheet to be on board. Thereafter, necessary order could have been. So that charge sheet is yet to be.
That effort on our part to complete the investigation is, my lord, what we are going on, my lord, at this stage.
How many accused are there?
My lord, we have not given our final report to that effect. We are collecting the witnesses' statements, my lord. So because of the death of the previous IO, it's creating a bit impediment. So we are recording the statements again, my lord. So another 4 weeks' time will be sufficient, my lord, to complete our investigation, and we'll come with a clear picture.
15 persons who were present there can't make any statement that what happened to him.
They have given, my lord. They have given, but my lord, we are not giving any. We have sent WT message to the witnesses to come and give their statements, my lord.
They are not coming.
They will be coming. They only yesterday, my lord.
They're all police officers only, Lordship.
Senior counsel who is leading this matter, my lord, Sir K. Khan, is also indisposed today, my lord. So on his behalf, my lord, I am making the submissions.
15 police officials were there when the incident occurred near the place.
Not sure, my lord, because the IO has not given us the full picture as of now, my lord. Because until and unless it has been completely given in a complete correct manner, my lord, we cannot make any tentative submissions, my lord.
When the death occurred, 20?
On 9th March 2022, Lordship.
9th March
9th March
2000?
22. At the Northeast Police Academy at Nagpur, Lordship. Umiam.
Academy at?
Northeast Police Academy
At?
at Umiam, Lordship. It is situated at Umiam, Riboi district.
Yes, please take down.
In fact, there were not 15 police personnel, there were 29 police personnel there at the time of this incident.
Where he died in a pond.
In the swimming pool inside the academy at the time of training.
This writ petition arises out of the unnatural death of a police trainee from Assam undergoing training in the Northeast Police Academy in Umiam, Meghalaya. Post up. It happened on 9th March 2022. According to one version, he allegedly. Now, according to one version, he drowned in the swimming pool in the academy. According to the victim's family, which lodged the first information report, there were 29 policemen around the victim. And that the case of drowning by accident is not to be accepted. A full-fledged investigation, identification of the accused and framing of charges against them, followed by a speedy criminal trial for the praise and the writ. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the police authorities submits that the investigation is still continuing. The trial court has fixed a date for framing of charges.
No, charge sheet is not
Charge sheet
filed
has
till
not
now.
yet been filed.
This court is quite perplexed to hear that after 3 years, investigation could not be completed. Hence, no charge sheet could be filed. Paragraph. A criminal case has been started. Paragraph. I am not minded to interfere with the criminal proceedings. Next, nevertheless, considering the special facts of this case, I direct that investigation must be positively concluded by 31st May 2025, resulting in the preparation of a charge sheet to be presented before the criminal court. Post up. You say learned trial court. Thereupon the learned trial court will proceed with the trial in accordance with law and as expeditiously as the business of the court permits. This writ is accordingly disposed of.
Published.
My lord, I'm just praying, my lord, whether it will be in the form of a final form or a charge sheet, we are yet to determine on that, my lord.
What?
The charge sheet, my lord, charge sheet or the final form.
What final form?
Because, my lord, the finding is yet to be concluded whether the case will be charge sheeted or not, my lord. So we'll file our final form in the form of a final form, my lord.
You do it, whatever you
Yes, ma'am.
have to do, you do. You file a charge sheet, thereafter there is also provision for a supplementary charge sheet.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes,
But everything by 31st May.
yes, ma'am.
Number 8,
Published.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I'm seeking short accommodation, Your Lordship.
All right.
The conducting counsel is from Guwahati. He could not get the...
Petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner, this writ is adjourned for the day.
number 9,
And oh, 9. Yes.
My lord, this matter relates to denial of a surrender commission benefits to the writ petitioners by the respondent.
Sorry? This
Surrender commission reports.
it can't be concluded today.
My lord, it takes some time.
All right, by consent of learned counsel for the parties. No, as hearing of this writ, which is ready for hearing, cannot be concluded today. It is adjourned for the day.
Okay.
Yes.
10 and 11,
See, your microphone, the voice is absolutely audible. That microphone is not. No, your is audible through the speaker. That one is not. You asked him to check again today. Yours is absolutely all right. Yes.
Now, this is civil division application. We have come against rejection of our condonation application by the commercial court, my lord.
On which application by the
By the lower appellate court, my lord. My lord, here these are the arbitration proceedings under the old act, my lord, under 1940 act.
section 33 application, 30 and 33, to set aside the award.
Well, yes, my lord, we filed, because these are under the old act, my lord. The award was passed by the arbitrator.
What is the application to set aside the award?
My lord, because under the old act, there was a provision for filing, setting aside.
Was
My lord.
there.
My lord.
30, 33.
My lord. So against that order, my lord, under the rules, we filed an appeal before the judge, my lord, judge's court, along with an application for condonation of delay. There was a delay in filing the appeal. The learned appellate court below, my lord, rejected our condonation application.
How many days delay?
My lord, from the date of knowledge, my lord, it was about 100 days. But otherwise, it was about 3 years, my lord.
Where is the order? Trial court's order? Trial court's order. Order appealed from.
The order starts from page 119, my lord.
What is the amount involved?
My lord, here what I would, the arbitral award is about 19 lakh rupees, my lord. But including interest, it has come to 2.5 crore rupees now.
You are for the respondent.
For the respondent, your lordship. My lord, the main ground in appeal which we have taken, my lord.
This is the second appeal.
My lord, this is, we have come by way of revision against the rejection of our condonation application.
Revision.
Revision, my lord.
What is the reason that you acquired the knowledge much later?
My lord, what happened, the order was passed by the, because award was declared published by the arbitrator, my lord, then applications were filed under 14, 17 and 30 before the, for making the award rule of the court under the old act, my lord. That order was passed by the trial court in our absence, my lord. And what happened during that time, my lord, there was a change in the central government panel, my lord. And on the day order was passed, that was, counsel was not present. And thereafter, my lord, to make the award a decree of the court, they approached the trial court after 5 years, about 4 or 5 years, my lord. Then it was converted, a decree was passed, and then they filed an execution petition. When they filed execution petition before the trial court, before the court, my lord, when we received the notice of execution petition, then we became aware that order has already been passed ex parte, my lord, against the department.
The award was not served upon you by the arbitrator.
Award was served, my lord. We filed section 30 application challenging the award, my lord. And
Let it be, see, Union of India is involved, government. 2 crores are involved. Let the matter be heard out on merits. On ground of delay, don't have a cakewalk.
No, Your Lordship.
We will settle them with costs.
Your Lordship, may I just take Your Lordship's attention, Your Lordship, to an extra 110D, Your Lordship.
No. It is accepted that they don't have an explanation. Because the award is served by the arbitrator. From there, they should know that they have to challenge the award. Not when the judgment of an award is applied for under the old act. Let them pay 1 lakh cost to you. We will let the appeal be heard out.
my lord.
Your Lordship, I pray that the conductor counsel, Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, please.
Conducting counsel, you are the conducting. What
With senior conducting counsel, Your Lordship.
You say arguing counsel. What conducting counsel? Is it a train guard or engine driver or what? Conductor. His better expression is arguing counsel. Leading counsel. What conducting conductor? You are conducting the matter. Conduct it. What do you say?
Your Lordship, as if I can take Your Lordship attention, Your Lordship, to an extra page 110D, Your Lordship.
No,
Your Lordship, they were well aware, Your Lordship, that the argument was supposed, the hearing was supposed to be done the next day, Your Lordship, because both the parties were present in that court, in the court, Your Lordship, and they chose not to appear on the next, on 31st of July 2018, Your Lordship. Hence, the ex parte hearing was done and the award was, or the decree was passed in our favor, Your Lordship.
That is all right. It is not in not about the decree, about appeal being filed. They are saying date of knowledge, minimum delay. If that is not taken into account, it cannot be taken into account. The award was served. Around 1800 days delay.
Your Lordship, pray for some accommodation, Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship.
It's a simple matter, my lord. My lord, our only grievance before the trial, because learned arbitrator, what he has done, my lord, he has adopted higher consulting with the clubbing of the interest portion with the award amount, my lord, and future interest on the clubbed amount, my lord. That is our only grievance in this matter, my lord.
When was the award passed?
Award was passed on 5th September 2003, Your Lordship.
What is the interest percentage? 8%.
18%, Your Lordship.
18% and compound interest, my lord. That is how 19 lakh rupees has become 250 lakh rupees, my lord.
All right. This application is made part-heard. You ask your senior to come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I will retain it.
My lord.
List for further hearing on the next day. This bench sits singly.
My lord.
Your
You
Lordship,
see,
please for
there are
2 weeks.
always mischief makers in the department.
Yes, Your Lordship.
They will deliberately suppress the files so that the period of limited, it happens in the new act also, that 90 plus 30 days is elapsed. Then the thing becomes dead to help the contractor to get the awarded amount. Now, the central government cannot be made to suffer for some wrongdoing mischief by the ministerial level staff.
Sure.
So the matter, unless it is exceptional, should be heard on merits.
Yes, Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
It should be heard on merits. You tell your senior that this is the tentative view of the court, but then for the inconvenience caused to you, we will ask them to pay 1 lakh costs. We will record all that.
Yes, sir. So, Your Lordship, I just pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
We have given time.
Yes, sir.
The way it parted, it will appear.
Yes, sir.
again.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Deep.